Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you two best money earning apps you should be using right now. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel. And it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that magic number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chance of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app called Poll Pay, Surveys for Money. So get paid for your opinions. Now, as you can see here, the rating is 4.4 out of 5 stars. Very, very good rating, guys. Now, let's look at some of the screenshots. So this one says complete surveys and earn money. So you can earn $2 for each survey, guys. And you see the survey is very, very easy. What is your favorite TV show? You just answer any one of these. You know, check this one or check that one or whatever, which one you like, and boom, $2, you earn it. So select a survey you want to complete. Give your opinions and answers. After completion, you will be rewarded, as you can see here. Pay out your balance via PayPal or gift cards. They also got Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, and Spotify. Alright guys, let's just read a little bit more about this app. So it says join the millions of survey takers and their guests to make money on their phones. Poll Pay is leading the way as the best cash app in 2021. To earn real money rewards on your smartphone. So there's the rating right there. As you can see, 4.4, like we said earlier. And let's just read one review here. This person right here named Mark said, Poll Pay has some pretty good paying surveys and the qualification rate is reasonable. But there are some downsides. You have to get to $15.90 to cash out with your PayPal. So that's the only thing, guys. You got to make $15. But as you saw earlier, you're going to be getting $2 for each survey. So you shouldn't have no problem getting to $15 to cash out. All right, that's all I'm going to say about this app. To go ahead and get started, go to the Google Play Store and look up Poll Pay Surveys for Money. Now let me go to the second app. Okay guys, I'm at the second app and the name of this app is Sweatcoin. So let's look at the screenshots here. So it pays to walk. And as you can see here, 60 million installs worldwide. So this is available worldwide, guys. So walk more and earn sweat coins. Spend it on the marketplace, so you'll be able to buy anything you want in the marketplace once you accumulate enough sweat coins. Now guys, they do have a cryptocurrency. It's called Sweat. So once you accumulate enough coins, you can get the cryptocurrency called Sweat. Go to a cryptocurrency website that you have set up like Coinbase, and you'll be able to withdraw or trade that cryptocurrency to Bitcoin, or you can just cash it out in US dollars or whatever your currency is. And it shows here, boost your daily activity. And they also have daily bonuses you can receive. Check your earnings and rewards. So in the app's going to show where you can check your earnings and rewards. And guys, if you want to be a good Samaritan, you can help the pets get shelter and be rescued. And also you can give your sweat coins to help countries that need help, as far as money and food and other things. Now let's just read a little bit more about this app. So it says here, Sweatcoin is a new breed of step counter and activity tracker that converts your steps into a currency you can spend on gadgets, sports, fitness kit, services, and experiences, guys. Now the rating on this app out of 5 stars is 4.5. Very, very good. But alright guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. This app been around for a long time. I use the app myself when I'm walking, and I do earn some sweat coins, so it is legit, and you need to check it out, guys. So go to Sweatcoin in the Google Play Store, download it, and get started. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about both of these apps. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate your support. Let's go, let's get it. Road to 8,000. Share this video, hit that like button. Let's get there. Alright guys, one more thing. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.